If you want to remove the search box from Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to hide that search box from your toolbar so your Firefox window looks cleaner and more minimal. This is perfect if you prefer using the address bar instead, or if you just want to free up some space on your browser. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the top of the browser where your toolbar is located. You'll want to right-click on an empty space in the toolbar. Make sure you click a blank area, not on a button or tab. After you right-click, a menu will appear. From that menu, click Customize Toolbar. This will open Firefox's customization screen, where you can change what appears on your browser toolbar. Now look for the search box on the toolbar. This is the box you want to remove. Click and hold the search box, then drag it off the toolbar and release it. Firefox will let you move it out of the toolbar area so it disappears from the top of the browser. Once the search box is removed, all you need to do is click done in the lower right or top area, depending on your version of Firefox. That will save your changes and return you to the normal browser view. And that's it. The search box is now removed from Mozilla Firefox. If you ever want it back later, you can simply return to Customize Toolbar and drag it back in. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful Firefox tips and quick browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.